Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing miracle piece of collection. It is a natural Shivalingam collected from the Indian Ocean. Natural Shivalingam collected from Indian Ocean. You can see bottom yoni, top bottom, same as it is collected from Indian Ocean. You can see the clear face of Lord Shiva in the bottom. You can see two eyes, nose, mouth, clear face of Lord Shiva in the bottom and bottom yoni. Unbelievable collection. How beautiful, you can see clear face of Lord Shiva in the bottom and bottom yoni. It's a natural Shivalingam collected from the Indian Ocean. It's an unbelievable natural Shivalingam collected from the Indian Ocean. Extremely very powerful. It is a Shivambu Shivalingam. Unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.